Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. We have a new Windows 10 build to look at. Actually, we've got two builds to look at. In this video, I'm looking at 17604, which is for the skip ahead. So this could be a Redstone 5. Currently, it's just a new build of the Redstone 4. This is a pre-release, and then the other build number, as you can see on the Windows blog, is 17101, which is the release preview, effectively, of Redstone 4. So, RS5, Redstone 5 on this machine. I will talk about the RS4 17101 as well. I have put this on a separate machine, but there's still little differences. I'm not going to do a separate video of that. So what's changed? Well, I'm not a big emoji user, but I'll show you what the Microsoft blog do show these changes. So there you go, updated emojis. Something that is new, if I go to the privacy section in here, here's a new setting, file system access, and I can change that there, and I can choose which apps can access the file system. So you can lock out apps from accessing local file system, which is good for security and privacy. Another new feature is the a new power policy for workstation. Now I'm on a Surface, so I only get the balanced option, but there are if you've got on a high-end device, you get an option like that, which you can choose a unlimited performance, which is great for a workstation, so that you can really have all the resources available for you. And so if you're rendering videos, gaming, or whatever, you've got that full performance on there. Right, that's the main changes. There are a couple of other things. The Outbox apps has changed slightly on the Workstation Enterprise Edition, so you don't get the games like Candy Crush or whatever. The rest of the changes, these are the changes for 1701, which it actually applies to almost to both. There's fixes for Hibernate issues and gestures and things like that. The known issues for 1701. They're still seeing 17101. They're still seeing issues with it maybe get stuck at 88% mark doing the update. I didn't see that on this machine. I'm not seeing it so far, but it's still could be there. If you do get that, just keep going. 17604. That's the one we're on here. So they fixed Hibernate issues, as you saw in the other build notes, but they've fixed some issues with home group and so on. And a few more known issues on 17604. As you can see, there's 3-finger gestures not working, which is also common to both versions as well. One final thing I'll just go quickly show you. If I load up the Photos app, they've added the option for insiders to choose to have the development version of the insider build of apps. Now on this machine here, I'm on the skip ahead, so I automatically get the new versions. But if you're not on skip ahead with these apps, these Microsoft apps, you can actually change. You can opt in and join the preview. So you see down there at the bottom, you would sort of Paint 3D. You've got join preview. See if I can show you that it's not there on this one. See, I don't get the option there because I'm already on the latest version. If you're on the skip ahead, so if you're not on the skip ahead and you want the new builds there, or the new app builds, then go on to there. Okay, that's it. That's all the change in this build. We're getting towards the end of the development process with Redstone 4. Obviously, we're on to this is on Redstone 5 technically. So that's going to be released soon, and look out for more on thedigitalLifestyle.com.